her to your room? You want to take her to your room and just run around?
Okay. Okay.
You gonna wear mommy's slippers? Let's go downstairs too. You wanna go to Wesley's room for the first time? Oh, Wesley, turn on light for mommy. She's so heavy. You wanna get your school bag? Can you get your school bag? You can do it. Come on, Wesley. Let's go to your room. Just go back and bring your school bag down.
Why?
Because you need it in your room.
Why?
Okay, don't get your school bag. But be careful, mommy's slippers so big. I don't want you to fall.
Okay.
Be careful.
Fall!
Hey, mommy's slippers. Come.
Wow! Look, I walk so quick. For me, look, I walk so quick. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Look.
Okay. Come here. Come here. She was here. She was here. Oh, I'm so tired.
Oh! Got.
Let's go. Come up here. Come up and lay with us. Look at how good she is. Come up, Wesley. Come up here. Wesley, mommy's calling you.
No.
Yeah, come here. Come here.
Okay.
Okay, look at this good girl. You're a gentle puppy, very well behaved.
Ugh.
Oh, Mama's sick. Come here. What I do? You're sick too. All three of us go to sleep?
No.
You don't want to sleep?
No.
You want to watch some crazy TV?
No. No.
What do you want to do?
No. Yay.
What do you want to do today?
Yay.
What do you want to do?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Pie.
Huh?
Tea.
I got you hamburgers tonight. Special treat. Okay? We're gonna have junk food tonight.
What is this pillow?
This is your stuffy pillow.
It's so hard.
Are you gonna run today?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Let's run for a little bit, shower, and then wait for our hamburgers to come. You just squished her. Squeeze her.
Squeeze.
Sorry. You're such a good girl. You didn't complain. Let's go up and run. Come on.
Squeeze.
Let's go upstairs. Run.
Yabba.
Wobble,
Wobble, wobble, wobble.
Let's go. You go on your treadmill. Come on. Let's go.
Wobble, wobble, wobble.
You're such a good girl. Careful, Wesley. Careful, Wesley. You're gonna hit yourself. Come. Come. Start. Lisa, come. Wesley's gonna show you treadmill. Are you gonna go up the treadmill, Wesley? Can I? Can we go on treadmill with Wesley? You happy girl. You happy girl. You're such a happy girl.